today to see the blossom. It's an annual walk for me to come and walk underneath these amazing blossom trees. There's little Freddie. Aren't they just amazing? Obviously they are beautiful when you walk, you see them through underneath a blue sky, but never mind. We've got some clouds today, so we've got some much needed rain coming to water the lawns. So you can see they've been dropping already. Little pink blossom petals, pink confetti. Absolutely gorgeous. What do you think, Freddie? What do you think, Freddie? He thinks, stop looking at the blossom and get out the ball. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, you can see one of the tall buildings in the background. Oh, so beautiful. I used to push the pushchair underneath here and then sit on a bench when the children were young, when they were babies, just so they could peer up at the beautiful, beautiful flowers. Oh, so peaceful. Obviously I can hear the road and the train and drills in the background, but while we're in the park, it's very peaceful, isn't it, Freddie? He's quite content, sniffing away. Oh, and here's a baby tree full of blossom. It's lovely to see that they're replacing them as well, or maybe extending the path. Beautiful. Oh, and here's oh look, dare to be different. There's a little creamy white one in all the pink blossom trees. A little creamy white one. If you look very closely, it's got little pink centres in. Isn't that gorgeous? Dare to be different, little blossom tree. In the rain shelter, volunteers and members of Good Gym have been painting murals. And Freddie's good friend Nikki was involved in painting this. Look at the lovely reindeer. All the flowers and little birds nesting. Isn't it gorgeous? Absolutely lovely little toadstools and flowers. And butterflies. I love it. Cheers the place up. The boys and I had many a picnic in here in the summer. The British rain, of course. The British weather. And we can peep here into the wall garden. That's where we went to see the flower fairy last time. Let's have another peep through here. Ah, lovely. You can see where the volunteers have made the bug hotel. And that's where the Dame Cicely Mary Barker herb garden is. It's beautiful because it's been made wheelchair accessible too. Beautiful park. Oh, and I found a little fairy too. How beautiful. beautiful is that? Oh, magic. Oh wow, the fairies really are out today. How wonderful. Oh, they're dancing for us. Isn't that wonderful? Oh, lovely. You can't see their wings, but of course they're not flying at the moment, so absolutely beautiful. It's little Freddie. And there's the little castle where Rapunzel lives. She's obviously not in today. I love the colours, the strong colours in this one, the pink. So inspiring. Oh, let's do some painting and mix some colours.